Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage in a cooker. First, select a fresh, firm head of cabbage, ideally around 2 pounds. Carefully remove any tough outer leaves and the core. Then cut the cabbage into uniform 1-inch wedges. This ensures even cooking. Next, gather your additional ingredients such as a good cooking oil, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and your preferred seasonings. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's build some flavor. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of your chosen cooking oil directly in your cooker using the sauté mode. Once the oil is shimmering, add 1 finely chopped onion. Sauté the onion for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until it becomes soft and translucent. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic. Cook for just 1 minute more until the garlic becomes wonderfully fragrant, but be careful not to burn it. With our aromatics ready, it's time for the star of the show. Add all of your prepared cabbage wedges to the cooker. Pour in 1 cup of vegetable or chicken broth, which will create the steam needed for pressure cooking. Season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, or to your taste. Secure the lid. Set the cooker to high pressure and cook for 5 minutes. This short time will yield perfectly tender cabbage. Once the 5 minutes of cooking are complete, carefully perform a quick release of the pressure. This stops the cooking process promptly. Open the lid and, if you like, stir in 2 tablespoons of butter for extra richness and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or dill. Give it a gentle stir to combine. Your tender, flavorful cabbage is now ready to be served warm as a delicious and healthy side dish. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.